we'll do a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Hello, fifth graders. My name is Mr. St. Germain, and I am the Library Media Specialist at King Philip Middle School.
My name is Ms. Tom, and I am the Teacher Librarian at Bristow Middle School.
And my name is Mrs. McNeese, and I am the Librarian at Sedgwick Middle School.
We're here to talk to you about summer reading and our summer reading website. So we want to show you first how to get there. When you are during the summer, you're getting ready to do your summer reading and you've got questions about it, maybe you misplaced your papers, you can go to West Hartford Public Schools website, and any school page has at the top a section called Student Parent. And from there, you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for summer reading and math, even though we're not the math people, we're the summer reading people. You're going to scroll down on this page and there is a link to middle school summer reading.
All right, and that will bring you to our amazing website that we have for all the information you need about summer reading. Let's start with what you're expected to do this summer. You have to read. We want you to read for pleasure all summer long. It is critical to everything that you are a reader. And when you get back to school in the fall, you will be expected to discuss one book you read with your English teacher and the other teachers on your team. So your expectation is read one book, but of course we want you to read more than one book. And you're also going to fill out this book tracker, which will help you keep track of the books that you read and details about the book so that you can come back to school and have a great discussion about it.
And if you're wondering, what should you read if you don't have a to-be read list already, we have a lot of really great recommendations for you. So if you look on the menu on our right side of our slide and you go to ebooks and audiobooks, that's one place to start. We have a really amazing collection in Sora. Every year we add new titles. We always have the Nutmegs, which is another suggested reading list that you could take a look at. And in the summer, Sora has extra titles that they call Sora Sweet Reads. And there are some really great options that you can read online or you can listen to as audiobooks, because we love audiobooks and we'll talk a lot about those when you come see us in the fall. So check out that. And if you look at the other things, there's a couple of different things on this page. You can sign up for a public library card. If you don't already have one, we're going to mention that a couple times in this video. We really highly recommend it. It's free, it's amazing, and it gives you access to a bunch of really great materials. And then the public library, with your public library card, you can use Libby or Hoopla for ebooks and audiobooks as well. So lots of really great options. And we mentioned Nutmegs. So on our slide, also, if you look at the new 2027 Nutmegs, your librarian may have already have done some book talks for the new list that was just announced a couple weeks ago. So we have the intermediate list and the middle school list. So there are 20 titles of amazing books. And I know we as librarians, that is always our summer reading list. We try to read all of these before we come back in the fall so we can talk about them with you. And sometimes your teachers use them in classes as well. And last but not least, Miss Mahoney, who is the language arts supervisor, and us three librarians work together to come up with additional selected titles that we think you might like as rising sixth graders. So if you click on the link where it says suggested reading for rising sixth graders, you can look at that graphic and it has a bunch of titles listed there as well. So if you really don't know what to read, there are so many amazing options, and you can always send us a quick email. We do check it sort of sporadically over the summer, but when we see an email with a question from a student, we do our best to get back to you as soon as we can.
Okay, so we have our summer reading program, which is school-based. West Hartford Public Library also has great programs during the summer that they are running. They have contests with prizes. They've got all kinds of activities that you can join. We purposely have a link on our site right here at the top of our page. It says West Hartford Public Library Summer Reading. And when you click on it, the theme this year is called Escape into a Story. You can go on this page if you got younger brothers or sisters or older brothers and sisters. You might want to guide them to this page to see, because they've got a link here for the children program and for teens. Even though you may not be a teenager yet, we're going to call you a teen and you're eligible to join most of the teen programs at the public library. And it says teens grades 6 through 12. You are allowed in the teen room now, if you did not know that already. So as we scroll down, we can see there's places to sign up, to submit tickets and do summer programs, how to participate in the programs. You've got prize bundles, summer reading. They have recommendations for things to read that actually is very close to some of the things that we're recommending. And they've got West Hartford Public Schools. They actually have a link to our summer reading program too. And as Ms. Thomas already said, on our website here, there's also another link that I am pointing to here. My Bitmoji is pointing to for getting a public library card. So we are really excited to see you at the end of the summer. I guess we're starting in August this year, a little bit early. We're excited to have you here. We've got, all three of us have really great library media centers. We've got lots of books, lots of great activities that we do. And we're looking forward to hearing what you read and what you're excited about when you join us early fall.
Yeah, and just have a really great summer, do lots of fun things outside, and read as many amazing books as you can, and maybe read something nonfiction about something you're interested in. So look to see where your curiosity is and take advantage of the time when you don't have homework to be able to read whatever you want.
Okay. And sixth graders, join our Google Classroom. We did create a summer reading Google Classroom. There will be lots of things posted throughout the summer to kind of inspire you and a way for you to chat with each other and get to know each other a little bit better. There are also some other activities on our website where you could possibly win a prize, like Get Caught Reading and the scavenger hunt. So many ways to participate in summer reading. We hope you have a wonderful summer, and we cannot wait to discuss books with you in the fall.
Bye.